So you guys, here's the deal. This morning it was so beautiful and it was sunny and I was like, yes, I'm so excited to film today. And then right as I pull out my camera, let me show you this. Let me see. Oh, now you can't see my face, but it's gloomy. The sun's gone. Whatever, you don't care. Let's get into the video. Are you sick and tired of having to get ready for work every single day? Or maybe you have a boss that's something like this.
I knew exactly what to do, but in a much more real sense, I had no idea what to do.
No matter what the reason is, if you're looking to start working from your computer, work from the comfort of your own home, then you're in the right place. In today's video, in my crappy lighting, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to start an online business from complete scratch for $100 without having to create any products of your own. Doesn't that sound amazing? Hey guys, what's up? What was this? That felt weird. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kyla. It's so awesome to meet you. And if you're watching this video, you're probably looking to start your own business. And first off, that's so awesome. I'm so pumped for you. And secondly, you're probably not sure where to start and are maybe feeling a little bit overwhelmed. And I totally get that because I was in your exact same shoes just a little over a year ago when I quit my job completely out of the blue because I was downright miserable. And so I went and quit my job, but here's the thing. I was the primary breadwinner between my husband and I. And so when I quit my job, we had no money coming in the door and it was terrifying. But by following the 3 steps that I'm gonna share with you guys today, my schedule is 100% in my hands. I can do the things that I wasn't able to do before, and I'm actually excited to get out of bed in the mornings and get to work. And so if that sounds like something you want in your life, then just keep watching. Now, here's the thing. There are a lot of online gurus out there who will tell you that in order to start your own business, you need to buy all these apps and you need to build a ginormous following and spend thousands of dollars to get your business up and running, when in reality, that's just not true. And do you want to know something that's super awesome? With the business model I'm about to share with you guys, you don't even need to create your own products. So that means no inventory, no customer service, and no product delivery headaches. And this business model is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing in a nutshell is where you go and sign up to be an affiliate for a specific company. That company will then give you a unique link that is personal to you. And when you refer people to that company's products, when they buy through your link, the company then gives you a commission of the sale from that product. And in today's video, I'm not only gonna show you guys how to do affiliate marketing right so you can actually make money and stop chasing your tail online, but also how to do it with $100 or less. And make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'm gonna be sharing a super special tip on how to increase your affiliate sales. Step number 1 is to take the One Funnel Away challenge, and the cost, $100. Now, this online challenge is out of this world. And I'm not saying that to be cheesy or anything, but literally this challenge is incredible and is all you need to pay for in order to get your business up and running in 30 days or less. Now, this challenge is meant for all entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs who not only want to make money online, but also share their message with the world. As an affiliate marketer, this online challenge will help you develop an understanding of sales and marketing. And what's even cooler is if you end up loving this challenge and you want to share it with your friends and family or other people out there in the world, you can also sign up to promote this challenge. And the One Funnel Away challenge is offering 100% commissions to all of their affiliates, meaning since the challenge is $100, when you get someone to sign up for the challenge through your link, you get all $100. So even if you got one person to sign up, that would pay for your challenge. And that means you could even get started with affiliate marketing for 100% free. If you guys want to sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge, which I so hope you do, I took it twice. I love it. It is amazing. But if you want to do that, the link will be down in the description below. And also, if you click on that link and sign up for the OFA challenge through there, I'm giving you some awesome free bonuses for signing up. So not only do you get the challenge, but you're also getting free bonuses on top of that. So that link will be down in the description below. Step number 2, discover who your dream customers are. And the cost of that, is free. You have to figure out who it is you are wanting to serve and how the product you want to promote can help solve an issue they are having. In the One Funnel Away Challenge, or OFA Challenge for short, they actually walk you step by step on how to actually get traffic, because traffic is the lifeblood of business. And I want to note something really quick. This challenge, just so I'm completely honest, is very action-packed on your part. So if you're not willing to do the work, then this challenge isn't for you. But once you can figure out who your audience is, you are golden. So at this step in the game, take out a pen and paper or grab your phone and write down some specifics on your dream customer and the person you would ideally love to work with and serve and promote your affiliate product to. And step number 3 is write a review or share your experience with the product, and the cost of that is free. Now, these reviews can either be done through video or blogging, and as most of you know, YouTube, you can upload videos for free. YouTube, the platform, is free to use, and if you want to get started with blogging, Medium is a great platform to start with that is also free as well. So you've got making videos or blogging, and you could choose whichever one you vibe with. If you're not sure which one you vibe with, then start both and give each one a decent amount of time to try it and decide which one you like best. And understand this, it's gonna probably take a lot of your time at the beginning, but not necessarily your money, especially if you're trying to build an audience organically. Well, now that you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching my video this long. I'm gonna share with you my super awesome tip on how to increase affiliate marketing sales, and I actually learned this tip from this book, Expert Secrets. I love this book, and did you know you can actually get it for free? All you do is cover shipping. It's awesome. I love it. The link will be down in the description below to go check it out, but the tip that I'm about to share with you guys came from this sucker right here. And that tip is, are you ready for this? It's not actually about teaching the best content, but it's about identifying, breaking, and rebuilding false belief patterns in order to get people to take the action needed to change. Let me give you guys an example. So I'm a professional ballroom dancer, and back when I used to teach a lot, I always remember when I would get some new students, I always wanted to dive in and start teaching them the perfect technique and just give them all the best information right at the start so they can be the best dancers from day one. But the issue is I can teach them technique and all the right stuff until they're blue in the face, but that's not going to actually make them a better dancer until I identify, break, and rebuild some false belief patterns that they have in themselves. And for some students, that's helping them build confidence in themselves, or overcoming the anxiety of performing, or being able to have their body stronger. No matter what the limiting belief was that they had, it was holding them back. So as an affiliate marketer, if you're going to get people to buy the products you're promoting, you need to learn how to identify, break, and rebuild the false belief patterns that they have about the product you're promoting or about the result that it can get them. And then once you can do that, then you'll start making sales as an affiliate. Because I don't know about you, but I'm not just here to make money. I'm here to actually help people solve problems. And when you sign up to be an entrepreneur, that's what you're saying you'll do, is you'll help people solve their issues. So there you guys go. That is my 3-step formula on how to start an online business. So first, take that OFA challenge, and they'll help take you step by step on how to set up your entire business online from scratch in 30 days or less. And then you discover your traffic, discover the people who you want to serve. Again, the One Funnel Away Challenge helps you do that. And then show up on a platform or two and start sharing reviews and products, and you can be an affiliate for these companies, and you don't have to create products of your own, which is awesome. And it's something that is super helpful when you are first starting out. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really does help support my channel so much, and it means the world to me. And if you want to stop by and say hi, drop that down in the comments below. I love to hear from my people. I hope you guys loved this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, dudes.